Go to Device Management, Controller and Door. Click the green Edit button of which controller to edit. One door and two door mode can be selected by this controller mode pull-down. Shown here is one door mode configuration where reader number 1 is door 1 entry and reader number 2 is door 1 exit. Normally used Weekend format is 34-bit. Click the green Save and Close button to apply settings made. Shown here is two-door mode configuration where reader number 1 is door 1 entry and reader number 2 is door 2 entry. Save controller, then click the green Edit Controller button. Click on the green Edit Door button to made any settings. Shown here is all the settings you able to configure. Some of frequently changes made by user is release time, open time and close time settings. Exit button and door unlocked schedule also can be set accordingly. Other setting function can be refer on the user manual. Once done with the settings, click the green Save and Close button to apply setting made.